attending tonight's contest, as you exit, if you would please.
We ball 3, 1, 2, 3. We ball. Got it. Go baby, get more. Go. Hey, be the woman on 3, 1, 2, 3. Be the woman. I love it. Actual practice on the new turn. You already know. Yeah, that building. Oh, it's so soft. Oh. Yeah, baby! It's so hot, too. Just for you, though. So it is nice not having to like freaking walk a mile down to the field. Yeah, been doing that for many moons. What's up, T? Where are you waiting? It's always a great day to be a Brave.
on turf.
Oh yeah. This isn't your Boise State turf though.
No, there was Boise.
We'll get it at some point.
I thought that was your Make-A-Wish.
It is, but like we'll get it at some point.
Partial bait Boise State turf.
Yeah.
All right, fellas, here we go. Here we go. Hopefully you guys chose that keystone habit yesterday and let it carry over to today. Create good habits. So 66 days from now, we can be preparing for a sectional semifinal. Yeah. Gotta have good habits, right? Good practice habits lead to good game habits. Good practice habits lead to good game habits. Good game habits then start leading to good life habits, right? And at the end of the day, it's all about winning at life, okay? We win at life, we win a football game. Let's have a day, let's be mentally focused, let's get after it, let's move fast, let's play some football. Here we go, high knees into karaoke. You'll face your home bleachers first. Ready? Smart, right? Get something out of today and prepare for Friday.
You got the team take off first.
If you take this week lackadaisical, if you don't pay attention to the details this week, you don't do things right, you'll get beat on Friday night. They're that good. Okay? Nobody owes you anything yet. You gotta go get it. You gotta go earn it.
Yes, sir.
Here we go. Let's go. Get this breakdown. Great day to be a Brave?
Always.
Great day to be a Brave?
Always.
Let's go.
Hey, let's go, boys. Hustle everywhere. Hey, let's go hustle on 3. 1, 2, 3. Hustle. Let's go, boys. Good. Nice. Very good.
Nice ball.
you take me to
Funky Town?
Won't you take me to
Funky Town?
Won't you take me to
Funky Town? Won't you take me down to Funky Town? Won't you take me down to Funky Town? Won't you take me down?
We had a good week of practice, boys. I don't know what the coaches think, but you guys are playing hard. Okay? Tross hadn't been here in a couple, I don't know if he was here last year or not, but he walked over to me and goes, you guys got pretty good defense. Well, it's because you guys are doing things right. You're playing hard, and he notices it. Right? He saw what happened in the past. Now he sees the new you. That's how you play tomorrow. You play with that same intensity tomorrow for 4 freaking quarters. You can't play for 3, you'll get beat. Everybody got me?
Yes, sir.
You gotta play for 4. So I've already told you on Monday, what did I tell you? It's gonna be hard and you're gonna be tired. But you gotta find a way to win. That's what good teams do. Find a way to win. And it's called a little heart, it's called a little toughness. Even if you have a little bit of a bump or a bruise, you find a way. Even if you are huffing and puffing, you stand up, put your freaking hand in the ground, you go again. You gotta find a way. Along with that, mentally you have to be prepared. We're throwing a lot at you this week. It doesn't matter. If you don't play hard, you'll get hit in the mouth. And then if somebody goes down and you're the next guy in, you have to be ready to play. You can't be surprised when we have to throw you in the game. Everybody got me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You guys are going to be great, man. Can't wait to see you play tomorrow night. Jersey's in school tomorrow. Make sure when we get on the bus, we have a Unity Creek t-shirt on. When we get off the bus at Greenwood, you are in all black. If you don't have any of that stuff, come see me right after this. You have a question? Okay. Coaches.
Hey, Coach Butler said it right yesterday. You guys have to come in with the mindset that Greenwood does. They know that they're going to beat you. We have to have that same mindset. Okay? We're going to go into that game. We know that we're going to beat Greenwood. You got to have that mindset.
Get ready.
Go.
Who's got it?
Let's chop down the woman. Let's go, boys. We're the better team. We're the better team. Let's go.
Tires got a song. Tires got a song. Let's go.
Let's go, Tires.
Let's go, team. Ready?
We love
football. All day.
all day,
All night.
all night.
Out of sight.
Football.
In the sun.
In the sun.
Have fun.
Have fun.
In the grass.
Shake it ass.
Friday night.
Friday night.
Do it right.
Do it right. Football.
Hey, let's go, fellas. Family on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Family.
Work wins on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Work wins.
We ball on 3. 1, 2, 3.
We ball.
Yes, sir.
Another one. Another one.
Chop down wood.
Such a long time. I've been waiting for a long time. Such a long time. I've been waiting for a long time. Such a long time. Ooh, this bliss, I'm so rich. Abs like Abercrombie Fitch. Millie on my Versace boxes on my.
Time to play some ball.
Honey, yeah. longest.
Let's go,
Such a
boys.
long time. I've been waiting for a long time. Such a long time. I've been waiting for a long time. Such a long time.
It's the physicality that's going to win you this daggone game. You guys got me? Yes, sir. They call you the little brother. They think you're the little brother. 12 out of 14 daggone years, they kicked your ass out there on that football field. It ain't happening anymore. You guys got me? Yes, sir. Because there's going to be times on that for this football game that you're going to have to look at yourself and go, can I keep going? And you will. And you will. Because in the third and fourth quarter, that's when you're going to win this daggone game. We're going to start fast, and we're going to win this daggone game. We're going to go home. And shit, before that, we're going to jump in the middle, and we're going to say it's a party. And I can't freaking wait. The last thing is, I want you to have fun. Don't get too worked up. Don't get too worked. It's just a ball game. Have fun with your brothers. That's why you're here. Have fun. I tell you what, I'm going to have a blast. I'm going to have a blast. I'm going to be jumping with you. I may forget a play call because I'm jumping so much and having fun. Okay? Have fun. Last thing, protect one another. Okay? Protect one another. Do it smartly. Protect one another. Everybody got me? Yes, sir. Okay. Let's go.
Let's go, boys.
Let's go, boys.
Hey, seniors, it's our last chance.
Another one. We the best music. Major key. DJ Khaled.
Yeah, I go on and on. Can't understand how I last so long. I must have the superpowers. Last 223,000 hours, and it's 'cause I'm off of CC and I'm off the Hennessy. And like your boy from Compton said, you know this ain't free. I got girls that I should've made pay for it. Got girls that I should've made wait for it. I got girls that'll cancel a flight back home. Stay another day for it. You got attitude on 99, yo. On agua, yo. Stomach on flat, and yo. On what's that? And, yeah, I need it all right now. Last year I had drama, girl, not right now. I would never go and chat what we talking about. You the only one I know can fit. Man, I always wonder if you ask yourself, is it just me? Is it just me? Is this so good? I shouldn't have to be free. Is it just me? Yeah, is it just me? Is this so good? I shouldn't have to be free. I know you working day and night to get a college degree. Bet nobody
Girls fast, send it for number 9.
I know you working day and night to get a college degree. Bet nobody that you been with even know you're free, right? You know you only do that with me, right? Yeah, double checking on you. You know I never put the pressure on you. You know that you make your own mind up. You know what it was when you signed up. Now you gotta run it up. I be out of words trying to sum it up. Girl, you throw it back like one love. Even let me slash on the tour bus. Yeah, I told her but she don't do enough. Even though you in the hood, I'm still pulling up. Dip straight to your doorstep. This a real thing, can you feel the force yet? I always wonder if you ask yourself, is it just me? Is it just me? Is this so good? I shouldn't have to for free. Is it just me? Yeah, is it just me? Is this so good? I shouldn't have to.
Carry for the 2-point conversion. 24 seconds remaining in the half. We are tied for 14.
Ain't no wolves in the circus. Let's go!
So I made sure I got another anthem.
Here we go!
We the best over y'all. Summer's ours.
With a carry, touchdown, Indian Creek. Kick is good. 1 minute remaining in the third. Indian Creek 21.
We the best over y'all. Summer's ours.
Let's go, Opie! Take your word for it, baby. Let's go! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Yes, sir!
Such a long time. I've been waiting for a long time. Such a long time. I've been waiting for a long time. Such a long time. I've been waiting for a long time. Such a long time. I've been waiting for a long time. Such a long time.
Fun to win, isn't it? Yeah. Baby. Fun when you're on somebody else's turf. Hey, now listen. Tomorrow we're in. We are treatment at 7 a.m. You guys hate me now, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
8 a.m. You're with Wood, Graham Wood. 9 a.m. we're in the film room. Because let me just tell you something, it doesn't stop. Because guess who we got next week? They're ranked.
Gotta keep rolling.
And they think they're better than you too. You guys got me? So we gotta go back to work. You gotta get your bumps and bruises going. Take care of those. We're back to work. Okay? Now, JB, you're in, ready to go at 8:30 in the morning. We got a game tomorrow. Everybody got me? Yes, sir. Carry it over and let's beat them tomorrow. Got me? All right. Last thing, I got the game ball for my first win. So let me give it to Kiddit for a big one.
Hey, listen. Wolves, hey, baby. Guess what? This has nothing to do with me. We're my senior linemen. You guys get this. Go on you.
Good job. All right, that's all the seniors. All right, let's get a break.
Let's go, man.
We love football. All day. Outside. Football. Inside. Have fun. In the ground. Kick it out. Do it right. Football.
Hey, bring it up. Let's go.
I love each and every one of you. I'm proud of everybody. Hey, it doesn't stop. Let's go. Hey, let's go, family on 3. 1, 2, 3. Family. Work wins on 3. 1, 2, 3. Work wins. We ball on 3. 1, 2, 3. We ball.